Alrighty, welcome to another episode. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Alright, so today, obviously I'm kayaking, but yeah, let's see what I can do today. Last time it was a little windy, and it was my first trip out, so I was a little, you know, scrambling a little, but I think I have it more dialed in this time. I got a different reel to try out. I have it on one of my older rods. I used to actually have the older version of it, but we'll go over that in a little bit. And I'm gonna head out to deeper water today. Last time I was fishing about 20 feet deep, deepest, and drifting in, and wasn't very productive with any large fish. The water is reading. I'll wait a little while for it to stabilize, but it looks like it's cooling off a little from those other days. It's like 76 on the top right now, it says, which is nice, so that's a good sign. We got a porgy. Yeah, got a porgy. Porgy him up. It's good size. I don't even know what the legal flopper. So look at this guy. I think, let me see. Oh. So I saw our little cocktail blitz fish on. Alright, so these are little cocktails. It's pretty cool though. Oh, he's starting to fight now. Doesn't even know he's hooked probably. Oh, this is gonna be messy on the trebles. What I got? Here we go. Ooh. These guys are not fun to land on the kayak, I'll tell you that much. And now he knows he's hooked. All right. Oh, blitz is done. Alright, cool. Easier way to do it is gonna be... Alright, let's let this guy go. Searobin. Alrighty, alrighty. Getcha. This feels like a Fluke. Oh, so Porgy. So a little Porgy. I'm gonna let this guy go. Alright, so I got a little Porgy. Another little tiny guy. Eating here, tons of them, I think. So I'm gonna use this epoxy jig and see if I can catch one. Unless they're bunker. They don't think they are. Oh, one just swirled at it. They're on this side now. Fish on. Little cocktail. These guys are wild. Strong for their size. Oh, look at this guy. Grab him by the bottom. Yeah. I really shouldn't put my fingers that close to it. Oh. Grab my pliers. Alrighty. Another fatty cocktail. Alright, here we go with the release. Hope he doesn't splash me up. There we go. Oh, hitting the kayak. Crazy ass fish. Alright. Got this chunky guy. Guess I'll keep him for dinner. Alrighty. Got this chunker, and we'll throw them in the back of the cooler. Boom. Got a Porgy.